Hi, welcome to smartObjx. In the previous video, we demonstrated creating a hierarchy to manage your organization structures. Today, we will show you how to reorganize structures within the hierarchy. There are many reasons why you might want to reorganize your hierarchy. One common reason is acquisition and divestitures for your SaaS clients. If one of your clients buys or sells business units, your software will need to reflect and handle that change. To remove an existing node from your hierarchy, simply select the node, click the Stack menu, and select Remove. The node will be removed from its current position on the canvas, but will still be available in the palette. This allows you to re-add the node to a different location or to reuse the node in the future. Now we'll add more organizations to the graph. Click the Stack menu on the Langosh LLC node and choose to add a new child. Enter Walsh PLC and click the Create button to save your work. Notice the new node is added under the Langosh node and is also added to the palette on the left. If you want to move a child node to another node, simply drag the node and drop it onto a new parent node. Now let's move a child node that contains a hierarchy of its own. Once again, simply drag the node and drop it into a new parent node. Notice how the system is smart enough to maintain the hierarchy of organizations under the child node. Remember to click the Save icon to save your work when you have finished making changes. As your hierarchy grows, you can zoom the canvas in or out to get a better view of the overall structure. If you need to focus on a particular area of the hierarchy, you can limit your view to that portion. Click the Stack menu on a node and select View from here. The canvas will change to display that node as the top level and show the hierarchy under that node. Because in effect we're zooming into a particular node, any changes you make are made to the entire hierarchy. Embedding the smartStructures widget into your own platform, you can also make this view available to your own clients. This allows you to distribute the work of managing a hierarchy to your clients. Each client is only able to view their own area of the hierarchy. To return to the main hierarchy, click the Go Back link in the top right corner of the canvas. It's that simple to add, remove, and manage your hierarchies in smartStructures. For more information, visit our website at www.smartobjx.com or find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram at smartObjx. smartObjx, powering SaaS companies.